Hi everyone, today I am going to share the recipe of instant chips at home. This is a really quick way of making chips and really healthy as it is without any preservative and it gets ready in no time. I'm sure you love making these chips at home. So let's begin. So to start with, we'll take 2 big size potatoes. Peel the potatoes and wash thoroughly. Now we'll start grating the potatoes. We need fine slices of potatoes. It should look something like this. Now spread one tissue paper over the plate. Now we'll start putting the potato slices over the tissue paper so it can absorb the excess of water, and we need to remove the excess water before we put the potatoes for frying. Now to quicken the process, we take another tissue paper and dab over all the potatoes to remove the excess of water. Now take the pan in the oil and heat the oil on medium flame. After the oil is heated, we can try putting a small piece of chips and see if it is frying properly. So as the temperature was good enough, we are going to add other chips and let them fry. We need to cook them on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. We'll see when the edges will start to turn a little golden. We'll fry until then. So as we can see, the edges have turned golden and crispy. So we can take them out in the bowl. Now repeat the process and we'll fry the second batch of chips. Keep checking and flipping over so that they turn golden evenly. So as you can see, these are also ready. One important thing everyone, please do not take out the chips on tissue paper because that might stick on the chips. Now sprinkle some salt as per your taste. Add some red chili and chaat masala as you like. Now as you can hear the sound of chips, mix the spices together and enjoy.
Ready!
The crispy chips at home are ready. You will love this traditional way of chips you might have enjoyed in your childhood. This will remind you of old good times and it will refresh your childhood memories. Do try this recipe. I'm sure everyone in your family will love this recipe and you will enjoy it together. Have a great time cooking. See you soon.